Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurelia. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today's video is going to be a little bit off the beaten track. I am actually going to be doing a luxury unboxing. If you are new to my channel, the content that I provide here is all around style and fashion for the plus size mature woman. I am a firm believer that life is way too short to live without style. I post 1 to 2 times a week, so if you are into it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Join the family. Every year I get an annual bonus at work, and I take some of that money and I spend it on myself on a luxury item or items as a reward for a job well done, for making it another year, and generally just to treat myself. This year was a little bit different because I decided to invest in a jewelry piece. That's the thing that I wanted to talk about first. I purchased it at Neiman Marcus. I had gone in with the intent to buy a pair of gold hoop earrings because I really love them. They're a classic piece in any wardrobe, and I thought that it was time that I invest in a pair of gold hoops. In my shopping, I came across a different pair of earrings that were completely unexpected, and what I'm talking about are the earrings that I am wearing on in my ears right now. Completely different from what I had intended to buy, but I have lately been very interested in opal, and opal is very rare. It is hard to find. You can only find it in some places here on the planet, and the supply is hard to come by. And so these beautiful earrings caught my eye because they've got a nice chunk of Mexican opal in the center. What really got my attention was the actual craftsmanship and the way these earrings look. You know that I love antique shopping and vintage things, and what I really like about these earrings is that they are very vintage in appearance. And I apologize, I haven't even said who these are from. These earrings are made by Armenta. I'd never heard of them before buying these earrings, but I did do a little bit of research after I bought the earrings to see what that company was all about, and actually they are a Houston-based jeweler. This particular pair of earrings has got champagne diamonds, white sapphires, mother of pearl, opal, and quartz. I really need to look at them a little more closely and invest in a few more pieces from them because I really do like that handcrafted artisan feel that these earrings have. She's got a collection called the Old World collection, which these earrings are a part of, and they are beautiful and they look so vintage. And so from my perspective, because I love vintage so much, I love antique, I love how these look. These were not a cheap pair of earrings, trust me, but I think that they had been there for a while and they were at an incredible discount. I am so in love with them. The one bad thing about it is that I cannot link these earrings if you're interested in looking at them or buying them. I can't find anything anywhere on the website that has these, and I could not be happier that I have these earrings. I can see myself wearing them on nights out in all kinds of situations. The next thing that I have today is this big monstrosity from Gucci, and I always buy myself either a handbag or shoes, and I didn't 100% have intent to buy what I bought, but I had been thinking about it. So I got myself a pair of shoes at the Gucci store, and look at that, my essay is so sweet. So I was all like, you know, I really need a pair of white sneakers. Not dad sneakers. I'm not about the thick dad sneaker. I am talking about a classic pair of white sneakers. And of course we have our dust bag, and I have these little beauties here. And let me put this box down so I can show you. I'm so excited. I love these. So these are the Gucci Ace sneaker with interlocking G's. I thought that this is actually a very beautiful classic pair of shoes to have that I can imagine wearing 50 different ways in my existing wardrobe. I can see myself having these for many years to come, and the cost per wear is going to be very low because I will wear these a lot in a lot of different ways. I think that these are so cute. I have seen shoes like this worn with wide leg pants. There are countless ways of being able to wear these shoes, and I am excited to wear them in many different ways. I didn't want anything that had like the traditional Gucci ribbon on it, you know, like the other Ace sneakers have, or the spikes or anything like that. I wanted something that was very simple and very classic, because these are going to be probably one of my staple shoes in Paris. And I align myself very much to Parisian chic. One of the key principles of French style is less is more. These epitomize less is more. I really love these. I cannot wait to start wearing them. I have another couple of videos here for you if you want to watch some of my other content. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.